बाकी दो गस्टेटरी एंड ऑल्फैक्टरी होती हैं, जो कि रेणुका मैम आई गेस मैंने रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन करा था.
It was not there, ma'am. I have अच्छा you have ठीक है
मैंने मेरे कंप्यूटर पे किया था, so that no, you can start it. Recording होना है
I've started.
because I may need some snippets for my work also. Yeah,
sure.
Okay. So अगर हम इन पांचों मोडालिटीज की बात करते हैं, ऑल्फैक्टरी और गस्टेटरी, तो ये दोनों बहुत लेटेंट हो जाते हैं, बहुत कम यूज में आते हैं. पर मैक्सिमम लोग जो यूज करते हैं वो है V, A और K, विजुअल, ऑडिटरी, किनेस्थेटिक. विजुअल क्या है? व्हेन वी आर एबल टू सी थिंग्स, see them properly, right? तो हमें काफी चीजें जैसे मूवीज हो गई, या like when I am talking here, I prefer seeing you guys here so that I understand whether I am able to communicate well with you or not, right? So that's the visual, when I'm utilizing my eyes to communicate well and to understand where my communication is heading towards, right? So similarly, for that we have good stuff onto the internet like YouTube हो गया, Netflix हो गया, and blah blah blah, right? Auditory के लिए we have podcast. Auditory is something when we are using our sense of hearing. So if I am using my ears to listen to some music or to listen to what the other people are saying, like you guys maybe, you know, even lying down on your bed and closing your eyes, then still you are listening to me with a very special experience of the earphones into your ears plugged in. So it becomes really intimate and close to you. That's where the podcast comes in. Okay. The third is the kinesthetic. Kinesthetic people are those who love, you know, these are very touchy people. They are like, you know, you may have some friends who would like to touch you always. That's kinesthetic. They are the feeling type of people. Okay. So that we understand in NLP. So there are fair degree of people who are visual and auditory. Of course, kinesthetic is there, which we utilize. If we talk about the marketing thing, we can utilize the same into the kind of products that the media is sharing. Like, you know, even for a soap ad, they will put a baby inside saying, oh, I want this soap only. That's a feeling. You are touching the feeling of the other person. Okay. So they would like to touch that baby and to hold that baby. There are so many people who would say, oh, your child is looking so delicious. The child is looking so delicious. Are you going to eat that child? No. But the language of a gustatory person is someone who is good at taste, but is delicious, right? For visuals, it is look here, see, watch me, that's, or show me. That's a visual talking to you. Auditory would say, suno na, can you hear me? Am I audible to you? These are the words of auditory people, okay? So from here we tap in to the podcast. What is a podcast? Nothing but your own personalized radio channel. So kind of auditory files available freely onto a number of apps like Spotify, Apple, Castbox, and so on and so forth. There are many apps for that. Okay, so just like music you listen, you know, you plug in the music. Similarly, we have audio files for various topics. That's a podcast. If I'm clear, just give me a thumbs up. I guess that is allowed. Yeah, I'm clear till here. Perfect, thank you. All right. So you understood the basics of podcast. What is a podcast? An audio file which can be downloaded and kept safe with you. You can listen to it even when the internet is not there. You can not download and you utilize it via the internet. That's amazing work. So there are a number of podcasts that are available nowadays. But yes, why podcast? Because first thing, as I said, the auditory people will utilize it to the maximum. And imagine, you know, you are someone who is being listened over and over again, very especially when the other person is going to sleep. So you can understand, if you understand the human mind, if someone is listening to you over and over again, you are a great influencer, a great motivator. Right? And when they listen to you time and again, like you guys, if you listen to one song over and over again, what happens to you? You are into that song. That song is there on your mind continuously, even if you are not listening to it now. So what is happening is critical filter between your conscious mind and the subconscious mind is getting broken. And whatever now in this phase you are suggesting is directly going to the subconscious mind of the person. And subconscious mind of the person is 6,000 times more powerful, 88 to 90%. Whatever you are hearing or listening to me at this moment is going to your conscious mind, which is just 10 to 12%. At present, what is happening is conscious mind. But if you listen to my podcast, morning, evening, afternoon, whenever you find time or in the night, then whatever I'm going to tell you is going to go deep down in your subconscious mind, and I have the opportunity to make an impact onto your life. So in that zone, when the critical filter, the inhibitory processes are not active, it becomes a good chance for me to say what I have to say to the audience, right? And yes, the audience get an intimate experience with you. At this moment, whatever you will even sell, it becomes easy. Okay? Why podcast? You know, if you watch YouTube, then you need to have the constant focus onto YouTube, and there are millions of you can say pixels that are shifting and changing. The audience need your constant focus on the YouTube channel, or to any other you can say Netflix or Amazon or any other experience. They want to have the complete focus here. But your podcast is something which is just auditory. Like I can be doing something else, like I can be in the kitchen, I can be cutting the veggies, or I can be doing my maths homework, or I can do some other accounts work, and yet people can listen to my voice. They just have to plug the earphones in. So it doesn't, disrupts your other activities. Like if you're driving, people can easily listen to the podcast and they can utilize that time. You know, in a survey, it was found that in US, the average commutation time is at least 25 to 40 minutes. What will the audience do in this time? They can't, when they are moving, they can't focus really onto the books. They can't focus really onto the laptops. They can't really focus upon whatever is moving in the screen. They would prefer the podcast, because now here they have to just plug into the earphones and listen to whatever the person is saying. Okay, so that time can be utilized. So you have ample time. In our country, India also, I'm not talking about just Ajmer. Even from Ajmer to Jaipur, if you have to drive, what can you do? Plug into a good podcast that you like and then have a ride. Yes, so you can actually utilize that time. From Delhi, one place to another place takes good 1.5 hours. What are you going to do? Either you listen to the blabber of the radio people, or you sign into your own podcast, which is advertisement free, and then listen to the person. Okay? So when I talk about my podcast is about psychology. Okay, so even the basics of psychology can be cleared when you are driving, when you are sitting in a car, or you are in a train or in a bus. It becomes really easy. You're talking to someone else and then one earphone is here. Okay, so it's that easy. You don't need you don't need to dress up for making a podcast. You can be sitting in your bed creating your own podcast, and the people the other end, they are thinking, oh, you're very good. And yes, you are. You don't need to do that extra makeup also. Okay, like even for getting ready or to teach you guys about one simple webinar on podcast, I had to get ready first, because I know my presentation would matter, how I would look would matter, because the visual part is utilized here. But for my podcast, I don't even need to take a bath. I can be sitting in my bed, create the podcast, and then there it goes. Okay, and once it is there forever. It's not like I'm taking it down. So, today in this webinar, I guess 26 people are here, including me. So 26 people are listening to me, which means it has less of audience. If I am recording it and putting it onto YouTube, little more of audience. If I am just taking its audio and putting it onto my podcast, which is already existing, now this thing gets a good audience span of 5,000 to 8,000 people. Same thing, 8,000 people can hear me. I don't need the exact time, same time when I'm there available. They can listen to me anytime, any place with the comfort of their own, places. They can be in their bed, they can be standing, they can be sitting, doing whatever they want to. That's the flexibility the podcast give you. Okay. So what do you need for a podcast? See, one thing is clear here. The auditory senses are being utilized, right? So you need a very good voice. You need good voice modulations. And most importantly, you need a proper content. If your content has great value, then your podcast is going to be a hit. If it is like a normal podcast, आइए आज हम बात कर रहे हैं सब्जी कैसे बनानी है, everybody is doing that, right? For me, why my podcast grew, in April I started making my podcast. Of course, I needed 1 year to think over it and plan it, and then finally quarantine happened, and then I started recording my podcast. Why my podcast grew was I was already into the field of psychology, and I created a podcast based upon psychology lessons or the lectures. So I knew I already have an authority over this subject, so it will grow quicker, right? So in this duration, when there is no proper class happening, you can't go to coaching centers, and there is a lot of demand of psychology, this podcast grew. And today, when Renuka ma'am or sir contacted me, I just had 5,000 downloads. From that duration to today, I got 1,000 more downloads. So now my podcast is doing 6,000 audience. Perfect for me. And it will keep on growing, because in the end, I'm adding on call to action. If you like my podcast, please share it with your friends and family. Probably, when these times are there, listening to my simple podcast, we can touch so many lives. Yeah, so that is the idea. It's not like you have to, ask your people to get ready and listen to my lecture, or they are there, the time is right or not. All those dramas are cancelled now. ठीक है? So अब चाहिए क्या? हमें content चाहिए. हम किस पे काम कर रहे हैं? A great idea, some outstanding idea, right? And then you need, if you want to hit and try and see, trial and error करके देखना है, तो हमारे पास में फ्री के पॉडकास्ट मेकर्स होते हैं, जैसे एंकर हो गया. एंकर ऐप को डाउनलोड करो एंड यू वुड नो एग्जैक्टली कब क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. So it's like a free thing. And then if you want to get into really professional work or a reputed work, or you want to do something of standard, then we have Podbean, we have Blueberry, we have Simplycast, and all those podcasts that host your podcast. These hosting services are there. Okay, so you just check first. Planning is most important. If you're simply landing up into making podcasts, this may not be so effective for you. Okay, but if you have a proper planning about what you're going to do, how you're going to do, will it influence the audience, will it not influence the audience, do proper planning. Even in Principles of Management, the first book or first paper of management, we understand the first chapter is planning. So that's most important. Okay, if you want to get into making podcasts, planning is important. Second, your content is important. Third, your voice is important. And fourth, how you are presenting it to the world. What is your designing, what is your icon for podcast, where you are pitching it in, who will be your listeners, who will be your audience, how will you promote it, all that needs to be planned. Whether you want to do a free podcast, or you want to get into paid podcast, do you want to start it all on your own, free services wala, or you want a professional coach. So having a coach for me was a benefit, an edge on. Why? Because this person has already gauged the waters. He knows the ABC of podcast. He understands what will sell off, what will not. So, initially when I said I utilized 1 year for my podcast, he gave me a structure. I was coached for this podcast. So 1 year and I have to, okay, my God, how do I place the things in? क्या intro होगा, क्या outro होगा, क्या बीच पे आप डालोगे, segments में क्या जाने वाला. So there is a proper structure. And then 1 or 2 episodes I had to record, and he would check it, and he would get it tested with 2-3 audience. How is it looking? How is it not looking? And how is it sounding? So all that he would tell me. And finally, when he was okay, this is the right quality that we are looking at. Now we can move ahead with the different topics that you want to pick up. So then only the podcast making happened. And finally, one day, that I'll explain it in my story. So you understood one thing is important, that is the content. The second is your voice. Okay. And third, most important is definitely planning. So are you looking at okay type podcast, which is like, you are trying to do, reinvent the things, how things will go about, what will be preferred or not? Or are you looking for a professional coach who will guide you step by step and take it ahead from there? Right, editing and stuff, all that is required. When to start? For you guys, when means now. Why? Because if you start it at this moment, keep one thing in mind. You're not going to do it for earning money. ठीक है, सबसे पहले हमें पैशन चाहिए, हम क्या दे रहे हैं वो चाहिए. ठीक है, मैंने आज तक नहीं सोचा कि मैं मेरे पॉडकास्ट को मोनेटाइज करूं, फॉर श्योर नहीं सोचा. ऑफ कोर्स बिफोर दिस वेबिनार, क्योंकि ये वेबिनार आना था, प्रोबेबली द यूनिवर्स इज आस्किंग मी कि डॉक्टर कविता मोनेटाइजेशन का टाइम है, तो ये वेबिनार आया, एंड देन आई हैड टू लुक इनटू मोनेटाइज कैसे कर सकते हैं. सो प्रोबेबली नाउ आई कैन, बट देन येट अगेन ये वाला पॉडकास्ट में मोनेटाइज नहीं करने वाली, बट देयर आर डिफरेंट वेज थ्रू व्हिच आई कैन डू दैट नाउ, which probably will come up in the next slide. So right time is now. Why? Because first thing, you have the passion. Second thing, it will give you a very good communication skill, and the presentation skill, how you can actually influence the other person who are just listening to your voice. ठीक है, वो आपको वॉइस से आपको कैसे कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं. एवरी डे आई एम गेटिंग सो मेनी फीड फॉरवर्ड्स, माय लिसनर्स रीचिंग आउट टू मी, टेलिंग मी, okay Dr. Kavita, this is what we have understood. And of course I did not add the testimonies here, I should have, but I forgot. So every day I'm getting my listeners messaging me back. Okay, so that's your quality that would talk. So are you into just gauging the waters? Are you serious about it, or are you not serious about it? That thing needs to be taken care of. If you are serious about making a professional podcast, then start today. For good 6 months to 1 year, do not expect any revenues. No revenues. And do not work for revenues. Keep that at the back of your mind. Okay, just present your idea to the world outside. Okay, like for example, you can start interviewing. If you're a management student, you can start interviewing the management gurus, right? And when you are interviewing the best of the gurus, so slowly your audience will start building, because these gurus will now share their interviews with their people, right? And you will have a good audience and interaction and communication skill. By the time you graduate, you will have good contacts in the industry. Very especially if you are looking forward to some business plan of yours, if you are going to be an entrepreneur. Once you're out of your college, you will have a good market. They can also, when you are interviewing so many people, you have a good network of your own. People who are listening to you, good network of your own. Okay, and probably from there you can get the jobs also. When they know you, they know your work. Okay, so that will stand out for itself, and it will speak for itself. Okay, so that thing becomes very important for you right at this phase. Start today, do not wait. Okay, and by the way, what are we waiting for? It just needs 1 hour or 40 minutes to record your episode. That's all. Planning is of course required. Once you're into the flow of it, rest everything simply follows. Okay, editing and all you can learn from Audacity, or you can contact my coach, who's a podcast coach. So he is again into mentoring. Later on, probably you can also, once you have your podcast, I will tell you about the monetization. Let me just come to my story here now. So how did I begin? So, somewhere in 2008 or 9 onwards, I used to listen to the podcast by Joel Osteen, then Joyce Meyer. So these are good, inspiring people. And, in the night, I'm an auditory person. So in the night, I would plug their podcast into my ears and listen to them. And whatever they said, it built my personality. Because as I told you, that was the last in, first out. The subconscious filters are there. So the filter is broken, and whatever now the other person will say, it will go in. And towards the end, he would say, donate this much because we need to run our services. We need this much money. So you can choose to donate. And yes, that was optional. Okay. So if you want to continue to listening and stuff, in the end, they will say donate. So at once I actually opened that donate stuff. Of course, I did not have the credit cards and so I could not donate, but I understood how he is influencing me. Okay. And slowly his free episodes got over. But I had one thing in my mind. For once, I would like to visit him physically, wherever his services are going on, because I can understand he is addressing huge audience at one go. Through his podcast, he's reaching out to millions. When people are coming to he's on the stage and he's addressing good 5,000, 6,000 people at once. What is it in him? For sure, there is something. So for me, it was still there. Still date, it is there. If ever I, get an opportunity to meet Joel Osteen, I would definitely meet. So this was there in my mind. And then I guess 2 years back, I got this newsletter or this message of, joining podcasts or to get coached from a coach. And then the story began, oh, I need to make my podcast. So my intention before the podcast was, I'm very good at psychology. Students of my first batch also, they got 100 on 100 in their board examination. That means there is something which is different. Communication or explaining my subject matter to the students. I knew that. So, I had this in my mind that, when I left my regular teaching profile, I had this in my mind that I'm going to write a book out of my own notes. Of course, I sat and wrote 2 chapters, but it is a very tedious task. Very tedious. Writing a book is not easy, even though you have the notes ready with you. You need proper settings for that. So वो नहीं हो सका, and especially when you have good number of clients and students now who want to learn hypnotherapy and stuff, you don't get the time to sit and write a book. So वो delay होता गया. So मैंने 2014 में शायद सोच लिया था कि मैं book लिखने वाली हूँ मेरे notes की, और वो book I will be publishing, okay? पर वो हो नहीं पाया. And then this podcast thing came up and I said, why not? It would become easy. My work would become easy. I have something and I want to give it to the world outside. I have my personalized notes and I want to deliver the lecture to my people, students of psychology, and so many people who are interested in psychology. Let's do one thing. Let's create a podcast. And then the story began, and then I reached that coach of mine, of course it was difficult. I monetary बहुत सारा लगा चुकी हूँ मैं, उतने returns नहीं है, पर yes, I still have that peace within me that okay, I have done what I wanted to do. And believe me मैं अगर book लिखती तो वो सालों लग जाते, और वो book मुझे नहीं पता कहाँ पहुँचती. Already books का market है, ठीक है? There are so many people who are writing books. Similarly, so many people who are creating YouTube, so many people who are making their own videos and displaying to the world. There is a lot of competition already there. So why would I go and stand out in the saying, okay, this is my book, buy it? No. And to add on, my students who know me, they would have been over 12th now. Why would they even go and read my book? ठीक है? So अब क्या हो रहा है? बुक से मुझे जहां पे ये मान लो अगर पूरी लाइफ टाइम में मैं 5 लाख लोगों को टच कर लेती, मैं पॉडकास्ट से पिछले 2-3 महीने में 6000 डाउनलोड्स ले चुकी हूँ. So अभी आने वाले 12 साल में, 10 साल में, मेरे लाइफ टाइम में, you can understand where is it going. So different bigger set of audience, and yes, book के थ्रू वो शायद मुझे टच भी नहीं करते, मुझे बोलते भी नहीं मैम आपकी बुक हमने पढ़ी है और अच्छी है या ये है वो है, और मेरे टच में नहीं रहते. पर अभी मेरे पास ये 6000 people हैं who are writing to me every day. I have a separate group for NCERT study on Facebook, and any day I can announce a webinar and see them who are my listeners and then get in touch with them. And if my podcast is doing well, then definitely whatever other tasks that I have, like if I'm introducing myself on this podcast, I introduce myself as the clinical hypnotherapist. Yes, from there I got clients, good number of clients also approaching me. We need therapy. Fine. So although I'm not earning directly from teaching my podcast, but the other way around, I'm getting students. I'm getting students for clinical hypnotherapy, which is a very good course that I'm into now. And I got the clients. How can it get better than that? So my reach became bigger. I just had to, share my podcast. This is my podcast. That's all. And now it is automatic growth. Doing nothing, sitting at one place, Ajmer. I started my counseling services from Ajmer 10, 12 years back. I had 1 or 2 clients, and now I'm sitting back in Ajmer after, all that Corona situation and stuff. And I'm sitting here and I have good people out from abroad also. I have good clients from Japan. I have good clients from Norway. I have people from mentees from various places, Hong Kong and stuff. And I'm still sitting in one place called Ajmer. That's the reach now. Of course, podcast has enhanced. And yes, to reach here, I now, I had to work a lot onto the field so that people know me, who I am. When people know me, they already would like to listen to whatever I have to say, right? But with you guys, you would be starting your career into podcast, and then it will be like, forward integration. I learned it from Amar sir. So, I learned these 2 words from Amar sir, backward integration. Then, the Jack and Jill was formed. So Jack and Jill के बाद school आया और उसके बाद college आया. I learned it from him. From you, for you guys, once your podcast is doing well, it will be a forward integration. If you want to, pitch in your businesses, if you want to pitch in your jobs and stuff, that will be there. Okay, for me, it was a backward integration. मेरे बाकी के काम को integrate कर दिया, and then now I can, forward integrate it anytime. ठीक है? That's where my story with podcast happens, and it's doing well. Of course, मुझे बार-बार motivation चाहिए होता है universe से कि अच्छा ठीक है कविता बना दो अब. Students keep writing, these are the times when studies are going costly and your free services, it's like so many people can actually learn whatever you have to teach. We don't have to take the tuitions anymore. So good for me, and yeah, there are many teachers also who listen to my podcast, and so it's going on well. So now let's understand, how do we monetize a podcast? For monetization, understand you need 6 months to 1 year and an audience of 10K per episode download होना चाहिए. ठीक है? जब इतना audience हो गया है और you are into one field, then people may know, okay, this is a niche area of yours. इस niche पे हम अब marketing, advertising शुरू कर सकते हैं. जैसे YouTube में होता है. So if, in example, you have, you create 4 episodes a month. Every week you take out 1 episode. ठीक है? वो release आप करते हो. Right? उस episode में अगर आपने एक advertisement के लिए डाल दिया, suppose कुछ 2 to 3 seconds का advertisement होता है, आपने 3 advertisers को दे दिया, ठीक है? 3 जनों के हम related advertisement करेंगे अपने podcast में, ठीक है? और per advertisement or per episode, you are charging them 500 rupees only. So from 1 episode, out of these advertisers, you are getting 1500 rupees per episode. And now you can also add on per 10,000 downloads ka, I will be charging this much, right? So 1 download 1500 into 10,000 कर लो, और फिर उसके बाद into 4 कर दो, that becomes your monthly income just from the advertisements. Okay. If you want to, ask for sponsorships on air, like if you are having some event and people are, really fans of yours, you can really ask for sponsorships, right? You can tell them, okay, this episode creation needs this much amount. Donation de dijiye, right? If you want to continue listening to us, or if you want to support us, you can ask for that also. And there are good Samaritans who do that. They help you create the podcast, okay? There are 42% people who are taking the, who have premium content they offer to members through Patreon. Patreon क्या है? ये एक decent organization है जहां से suppose today my podcast is free. One day I say, okay, I want my listeners to pay me $1 each to listen to my podcast episode. 4 podcast episode बनाया, 6,000 ऑडियंस है, हर एक बंदे ने मुझे $1 दिया हर एपिसोड का पूरा महीना में, तो 6,000 into 4 कर लो, उतने डॉलर्स तो मेरे पक्के हैं, और $1 देने के लिए कोई बुरा नहीं मानता, आसानी से दे देता है. वो बात अलग है, मुझे लेना नहीं है फिलहाल, ठीक है, तो वो वहां से भी हम ले सकते हैं. देन देयर आर सर्टेन पीपल जो इनडायरेक्टली बिजनेस को ड्राइव करते हैं, जैसे मेरा काम हो गया, राइट, माय पॉडकास्ट इज फ्री, पर इनडायरेक्टली व्हेन दे गेट टू नो मी, ओके, दिस इज व्हाट आई डू, I get the clients from there, and then the students who want to learn various other programs and courses, I get that from there directly. Online courses का information हमने sell कर दिया. Okay, now पूरा podcast मैंने सुना है. In the end, I say, okay, this is the upcoming workshop which is coming up. If you feel like joining that, then this is the link you should follow, or follow me on Instagram or my Facebook or my YouTube. And there I have so many advertisements about my workshop. So indirectly, directly, what I'm doing is marketing my own product by call to action in the end. Okay, even that can be done. Another part is promoting products as an affiliate. Okay, you became an affiliate. Suppose there is someone who has the podcast running and you became the affiliate, so you can sell that product also, and he can sell your product as well. Okay, so that's how this is earned. Then speaking gigs, like I'm saying, maybe one day I'm going to announce a webinar with my listeners, right? So when my listeners are here, this is entirely fresh audience I don't even know about. There are thousands of people who know me, who are in my contact list, but yet again there are thousands of people who don't know me or whom I don't know, but they know me through my podcast. Suppose they turn up into my event, my webinar or stuff, and I get to know them. Just a chai or tea, coffee, or a chit chat, or a follow up on whatever is happening in the podcast, if there is any doubt clarification required. That's how I build my audience. I build good relationships. I build contacts. People know me further, and then I can easily market my further courses. Okay, that's another thing that I can do. Some people directly sell the merchandise. Okay, this is the product. You can go and watch it. Pure herbal lipstick. आजकल आप scroll करोगे दिखेगा herbal India की lipstick आ रही हैं, काजल आ रहे हैं, purely Indian काजल, ठीक है, कोई chemicals नहीं involved है. आप ऐसे merchandise को भी sell off कर सकते हो. Or we are supporting so and so, small scale businesses, or we are supporting this village. Now you can send the donation and stuff. From there, your NGO work can also be there. That can be picked up easily. So podcast is not about direct selling. It's not about quick income, but definitely it is about a strong base to whatever you are doing and an add-on to whatever you are doing, okay, or you want to do. Then if you are taking a guest, as you are taking suppose interviews, then you can invite guests. As I said, suppose you are a management person, you can invite management gurus. Your audience is increasing, 10,000 per episode hote. Now what you can do certain free interviews जिनके अच्छा प्रोफाइल है, जहां से ऑडियंस मिल सकता है आपको, और कुछ के लिए जिनका अच्छा ऑडियंस बेस नहीं हो सकता है, ask them to pay you like 1,000 rupees, suppose to start with 1,000 rupees for an interview. It's an easy thing for you, but your audience is building. Later on, start off 5,000 for an interview, and then keep on increasing it once your podcast is doing really well. So your podcast guests can also pay you for that, because they are getting publicity, okay, through your podcast. Some people sell off their newsletter related to the show. ठीक है, अभी साइकोलॉजी के लिए फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मुझे ऑडियंस बिल्ड करना है, तो व्हाट आई कैन डू इज, ओके, माय class 12th chapters are almost over. What next can I do? If you want my notes, you can write to me onto this email ID, and per notes का मैं इतना charge ले सकती हूँ, okay? Or if you want a worksheet for your question answers or 12th NCERT question answers, you can write to me, and there it goes. So I have all the stuff ready already with me that can be easily sold off, okay? So that can be done. Some can ask for donation. This I have told you. 1% people, they are licensing the podcast content to a third party. So I am creating this podcast, only and only you will be the one who's going to sell it off for me. I will not give the license to anyone else. So 1% are doing that also. If one fine day Briggle, suppose he's making his podcast, he says, Dr. Kavita, I want to have the copyright of your podcast. selling of product. Okay, you take this, and then he gives me a certain amount or amount of listeners per whatever show it is, and then I get the amount. I don't need to work myself onto it. Okay, that's how the complete monetization can happen, and it's a very huge crowd and a very good start because there is no competition. This today now is the moment when you start creating. You can imagine people who started creating their YouTube channels 2012 में. 12 से लेकर अभी तक वो celebrities बन चुके हैं ना अपने अपने YouTube channel के. So हमारे पास अभी podcast बहुत जने नहीं बना रहे हैं. We still have time. So जो भी करोगे, you will be the celebrity of that. Imagine you are studying and you are already a celebrity. What do you need next? Just monetize it whenever, whatever you want to do it. You can also take a podcast as a mentor thing, as a separate career, just like my mentor. ठीक है? वो क्या करता है? He's charging, you know, for a group of people, if he has to teach podcast, पढ़ा वही रहा है, ठीक है? So for a group of people like 10, 12 people, 8,000 on WhatsApp per person is paying and he is teaching podcast. कुछ नहीं है, जो मैं बता रही हूँ वो सभी है, ठीक है? बस थोड़ा सा professional touch आ जाता है. So, you know, 8,000 per person and 15% are attending your course. You can calculate. ठीक है? अगर मैं पर्सनल, I said no, मेरे को तो पर्सनली पढ़ना है, मुझे तो अकेला ही कोचिंग लेना है, मेरे को स्पेशल अटेंशन चाहिए. Because of course, when you are Dr. Kavita Bhargav, you won't go here and there, no. You would need a professional coach for you. So I wanted a professional coach. He charged me 25,000. So I thought होगा 2-3 दिन का क्लास. मैं गुड़गांव गई, अपना काम वाम सब छोड़ के गाड़ी उठाया, गुड़गांव पहुंचे. मुझे लगा 2 दिन तो मेरे को निकालना चाहिए. 3 दिन का मैं छुट्टी लेके गई इधर से from all my work. You know, he gave me just 1 hour. And he said, this is what you have to do. And then do this much and then contact me. I said, oh, that's all. Okay. So, you know, it's so easy. You don't need any rocket science for everything, but it just happens. Okay. And then, you know, after all that, you know, because that major work was to be done by me. Usko sirf guide karne ka tha. Okay. So that was there. And then some instruments were there. Anchor pe agar aap bana rahe ho, that's all free. Of course, avoid Anchor. Go professionally. Okay. That's my personal take on that. So professionally अगर मैं जाती हूँ तो instruments वगैरह आया some 75,000 rupees gone. ठीक है, 2 mics, stands to support the mic, then the recording stuff, and then वो सब हो गया, ठीक है. उसके बाद में he gave me the designing support. तो designing और ये सब का मिला मिलू के 25 plus 75,000, 1 lakh gone. Okay, perfect, great. Okay, and then for 1 year I was thinking, should I make, should I not make? And how do I make? Because it's all up to me now. My idea, my content, and how do I want to go about, right? And I have to record and show it to him. So he's just there to facilitate me. I said, okay, fine. Now what do I do? How do I do? Thankfully, quarantine happened. And then I was like, okay, this is something what is on my list and I have to finally do it. Okay. And then I recorded 1 episode and he said, okay, this is fine. We can go ahead. 2nd episode, fine. We can go ahead. And then we started launching it out. You know, वो डालने के लिए he had to give me a challenge. Write it on your Facebook. Today is the date, 15th April, that you're going to publish your first podcast. Okay. Now when you're publicly announcing it, now it becomes a kick for you. You know, करना ही पड़ेगा अब तो. Your people know it, okay? And then it started. So first episode 15th April को आया. और उसके बाद में वो होता गया. हर महीने का, हर वीक का मुझे एक एपिसोड बनाना है. He did give me the complete guide to, you know, how to edit and stuff. So, you know, उसका पूरा ट्यूटोरियल उसने मुझे भेज दिया. वो भी उसने सीधा मुझे नहीं पढ़ा, उसने रिकॉर्ड करके रखा. This is the tutorial. You listen to it, and he is my coach. Okay, listen to this and then do it. If you want post production help, we are giving you 2 episodes for free. Fine. Otherwise, you know, you have a choice. Either you sit for 3-4 hours and edit your own episode, or you give it to our team and we edit it for you. So, you know, for every 4 episode, he is charging me 10,000 bucks. So post production, maybe you earn it like that. Okay. Later on, when your podcast is doing well, you know, marketers अपने आप आपको approach करेंगे कि भाई ये हमारा product है, इसको advertise करना है. या आप approach कर सकते हो. This is the type of audience that we have. You can promote it, or you can have a complete mentor वाला system जो खुद वो my coach is doing completely into this. So he's now an international speaker, keynote speaker, and वो बड़ी brands के लिए he's making podcast. He's also, you know, into funding part. There is a good industry or company that has funded him to make podcast. और मुझसे इतना ले गया, उसके बाद सोचो, I'm just one of his mentee. Yeah? There can be thousands of others who would be learning from him. He held complete retreat of 8 days. in Himalayas for podcasting, you know, mentees. So वो मेरे बाद में हुआ, नहीं तो मैं उधर भी चली जाती. हाँ, आराम से बैठ के अपने podcast का idea पे काम कर रहे हो आप Himalayas में, right? Even that happened. And of course, so you can see अगर 25 mentees उसके पास में 25,000 एक जना दे रहा है, calculate how much is it. And then post production, you know, we don't have time कि हम बैठ के 3-4 घंटा लगाएं और अपने एपिसोड को एडिट करें. Now you can see post production में 10-10 हजार अगर एक जना दे रहा है, 25 into 10 each month income. It's a huge career. And where are we? We are looking for engineering, doctors, so much of effort. What are we into? This is quick. You're sitting at home, you don't need to dress up, you don't need to go anywhere. Why would you not get into podcast? Tell me one good reason. Okay, so that's where my take on podcast is. These are few of the podcasts. That's my podcast, and that's the designing that he did for me. Or the Podbean ka 5,000 downloads aaya, I added this tag onto it, and now it's selling more. Okay, matlab it's speaking more. Selling to main nahi kar rahi hu. If you want to hear some podcast, then they have Heirs of Pandavas. That's a fiction podcast, especially for the people who are into what is that? What's that program? एक गेम होता है ना, Wars of something something. उन पे based है. इसको you can just listen to it. मैं भूल रही हूँ नाम exactly. Business Wars is for the entrepreneurs. MAID है शायद या MAED है. Made in India is for the music people. The Inspiring Talk is my coach's talk where he's interviewing mostly inspiring people और काफी अच्छा he's doing. How stuff work is another one which जिसमें हम देख सकते हैं चीजें कैसे work कर सकते हैं. So these are few recommendations for you. I guess now leave it open for any questions. If we have Renuka ma'am, anything in the chat box or anything else? Oh, Varsha says voice is not coming. Is it coming now?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, great. Anji, Renuka ma'am, कोई questions? Okay, Brigal has raised his hand. Yes, Brigal. Unmute yourself.
Yes. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, Brigal. Good afternoon.
So ma'am, my question is like, I'm a writer. I write poems. I write like short notes and stuff. And I have this curiosity about psychology also. And as a career option, at some point in my life, I wish to be a motivational speaker. Like I wish to motivate people, bring some sense to life, ask some very weird questions most of the time. So how can I use all this and channel it in a podcast so that my podcast will be different from others? Get not monetize it. I don't think about that, but I could get some more listeners and so the people can hear me and I can be a speaker. I can speak.
Absolutely. Now check what resonates most to you. You said poetry. You said you're an author, right? So whatever is your topic of interest, उस पे एक podcast का channel आप बना सकते हो. ठीक है, like for your own poetry, when you're writing it down, start it with the poetry thing. Okay, this is what it is, right? So each episode will have your own single poetry into it, right? And then you can have another podcast for your whatever you're writing, your author book or stuff, whatever is there. Right? And then of course you can support it with call to action stating if you want to listen or read my poetry or have your personal copy of poetry, you can write to me onto this email ID and then sell it off or give them the link for Amazon or wherever your books have been published if they have. Okay, so us tarah se you can build up. There is a, these days there is a huge market of poetry people who have come up, the authors and all, they are actually appreciated. ठीक है, तो बड़े बड़े अवार्ड्स मिल रहे हैं. यू कैन कनेक्ट टू मी ऑन फेसबुक. मेरी एक फ्रेंड है बलजीत कौर, एंड देयर आर फ्यू मोर हु आर इनटू पोएट्री, सो आई कैन कनेक्ट यू टू देम. तो एक बार उनका वर्क देख लो, उनका फेसबुक भी पढ़ोगे तो इट शुड बी सफिशिएंट इनफ टू नो कि कहाँ पे कौन से लिसनर्स को टैप करना है. गेट इनटू योर कोट्स. सो जो योर कोट्स वाला ऐप है, उधर काफी वैसे टाइप की लिसनर्स आपको मिल जाएंगे. ठीक है, तो उधर से आप शुरू करिए एंड देन स्टार्ट योर पॉडकास्ट. So by the time you are graduated, you will be completely into communication skill and stuff. And yes, you can be your own motivational person. Okay. So good to know about you, Brigal.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yes. Yash is asking which is the best network to share my podcast on. So Yash, if you are wanting something really professional, तो Podbean करके है, मेरा भी Podbean पे ही है. So podbean.com is the hosting services. Pitch in there, and then there are many apps जो automatically आपके podcast को upload कर सकते हैं. तो Spotify हो गया, मतलब if I advertise my podcast, तो मैं दो चीज पे करती हूँ, एक Apple हो जाता है और एक Spotify हो जाता है. If on Apple you are in top 10, which I am, अगर top 10 की rating आपको मिल जाती है कभी भी, वो अपने आप ही, you know, that is supposed to be the best one. So Apple पे आना चाहिए भैया आपका कैसे भी करके. तो पहले अपना बनाइए और 20 Apple के डाउनलोड करवा दीजिए, तो वो अपने आप शुरू होने लग जाएगा डाउनलोड. ओके. I was thinking either Spotify, YouTube पे पॉडकास्ट नहीं आते हैं, खाली आपको कुछ या तो अपनी पिक्चर वगैरह लगाओगे या प्रेजेंटेशन लगा के लगाओगे. तो Spotify would be better for Android people. And बाकी जो एक मिनट, let me just make it this way. Yeah. So बाकी जो हमारा YouTube वगैरह है, Apple कर दो उसको. YouTube तो ज्यादा visual people के लिए होता है. Of course you can have a YouTube channel to back it up. वो हो सकता है. Chandni ma'am, there are many podcasts on Spotify. Yes, there are many. पर आपको दूसरों से अलग क्या करेगा, आपको वो content देखना है, ठीक है? And there are sections like my podcast comes into education का section. Parth is asking, is there any platform where I can start to first see except YouTube? YouTube is again not your podcast. Podcast is audio files. YouTube is a video presentation or a video file. ठीक है? So सबसे पहले तो basics clear करना है. YouTube पे podcast नहीं हो रहा है. YouTube पे videos, visuals जा रहा है. Yes, you can try and gauge the waters using Anchor podcast. So Anchor is an app. आप download करिए, मोबाइल से podcast record हो जाता है, and then you can see how the stuff works. पर yet again, अगर आप professionally कर रहे हो और अपना कोई channel बना रहे हो, तो that is always better. Yes, Chandni, that is true. It's growing very fast. Any other questions? I guess that's all. ठीक है? Renuka ma'am?
That's it, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So 1 hour is over. My promise is made. Okay, Chirag is asking something. 1 second. Is podcast based on technology? Yes, technology involved होती है through and through. बिना technology के हम कुछ भी नहीं कर पाते. Even Zoom भी नहीं होता है. Chandni, where can we start our podcast? Depends entirely. I told you, first have your content, then your hosting services will be there, and then of course the apps and all, वहाँ पे आप अपने podcast को display कर सकते हो. या चिराग, मोबाइल पे आराम से चलता है आपका एंकर जो पॉडकास्ट है, आप मोबाइल से स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, पर आई वुड नॉट सजेस्ट कि मोबाइल वगैरह लो. आई हैव 2 माइक्स, उन पे रखने के लिए कवर होता है, पूरा स्टैंड वगैरह होते हैं, 2 स्टैंड है, देन रिकॉर्डर है पूरा, वो 25,000 का आता है. तो ये डीपर वर्क है. अगर आप जस्ट हिट एंड ट्रायल कर रहे हो तो प्लीज एंकर से शुरू कर दो, पर प्रोफेशनली करना है तो प्लीज गो प्रोफेशनली इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स के साथ में, ठीक है? एंड देन उसको वॉइस जो हमारा रिकॉर्ड होता है, ऑडियो फाइल, उसको एडिट करना पड़ता है और फिर प्रॉपर स्ट्रक्चर एंड शो दिखता है. तो ये जो मैंने रिकमेंडेशन दिए कुछ शोज के, प्लीज आप उन्हें सुनो. आप मेरा पॉडकास्ट सुन सकते हो एंड यू कैन सी कि कैसे आई एम डूइंग इट. सो दैट गिव्स अ प्रोफेशनल लुक एंड फील. तो दैट इज ऑलवेज बेटर. अब आप मार्केट में लाइक यू नो बाकी के क्राउड में खो जाना चाहते हो या स्टैंड आउट करना चाहते हो, दैट्स एंटायरली अप टू यू, ठीक है? Yes, I guess. And ma'am, is there any hope that podcasts make on topics of you can, you know, hope is always there, but you need to have the listeners. अब अगर मोबाइल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक पे अगर आपको लेना है पॉडकास्ट, then your content should be really well and should be helpful to the listeners. Why would the listeners listen to you? उस पे फोकस करना है हमें, ठीक है? Any other question? Okay, Renuka ma'am, done. I was thinking मैं 1 घंटा नहीं ले पाऊंगी, पर पता नहीं बस हो गया.
When you are in flow, you don't know, ma'am, how time.
That is there. और RN में तो पता नहीं अपने आप हो ही जाता है.
And like I'll tell you the students also that she was a faculty member. She was my colleague earlier, when she started her career. Earlier she was with Sophia, then she joined Aryan, and then later on वो psychology में पूरी तरीके से चली गई. So
Yeah.
it was good to hear you, ma'am, and I think the students have
Thank you.
benefited. They get to know how podcast can be monetized. Rather, we do not look for monetization, but yes, students naturally look for it. So in case you have any problem, you can get connected with ma'am on Facebook or LinkedIn. She's available. And that's it. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for sparing your time. And thank you
Okay, welcome. Yeah, so Briggle, Spotify and Apple, you can directly write Dr. Kavita Bhargava on Google and you'll get all the links. ठीक है? वहाँ पे सब कुछ मिलेगा आसानी से. All right, then I'll see you soon. Thank you, Renuka ma'am, and thank you everyone for listening to me. Bye bye.